Hey everybody, I'm Mike Desepoli and welcome to the Heritage Market Minute for Monday, March 22nd, 2021. So let's take a look at a couple key market movers for this week. If you've been keeping up over the last couple weeks, we've seen growth stocks under some selling pressure due to rising treasury yields. Now, rising treasury yields would indicate that there's some pressure down the line from higher interest rates. Now, today we're starting to see Treasury yields back off a little bit, and it has growth stocks feeling much better. We're seeing the NASDAQ leading the way here this morning with the tech-heavy index up far and away above the other two major indices. This is a trend that we expect to continue to see unfold. We know Treasury yields had risen a little bit over the last 7 weeks, but we think a lot of it got ahead of itself. And considering the U.S. is the only developed nation in the world to still have positive interest rates, whereas a lot of our counterparts globally have gone to negative rates, we think this makes bonds here in the U.S. attractive, which should keep Treasury yields down long term, and this is good for growth stocks. So we expect the NASDAQ to continue to be the leader. After last month's correction was a good opportunity for it to reset a little bit, build up some energy for its next move. We will hear from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell a few times this week. He is on the economic calendar 3 times. We did hear from him last week in his monthly press conference where he reaffirmed the Fed's commitment to keeping interest rates low through 2023 and continuing to stimulate the economy to keep the recovery going. So this is the language the markets wanted to hear. The message was well conveyed and well received, and we'll look to make sure this week that Jay Powell stays on message and does not throw the markets for a curveball. Looking at our high frequency data, we continue to see the economy recovering. Air travel continues to work its way back towards pre-COVID peaks, and that's something, mobility is something that tells us people are feeling more confident about the future. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're always here to talk to you about the things that matter with your money. But again, looking for some leadership, for some strength in the NASDAQ this week. We would like to see it get back to the top of the pack and take its leadership position back from the other major indexes. Reach out to us with any questions. We'll see you back on Friday for the Heritage Market Pulse.